get started, you want to thread all of your cords onto your button, and you want to pull each of the cords out equally at both sides. And once you've done that, you can take your board and then you want to clip your button to the top of your board. So once you've attached your button to the top of your board, you can arrange your cords in order. So I've got one contrast colour in the centre, and I've got two of the same colour next to that, and then the shortest cord should be here next to the outside colour, and the same at this side, and then on the outside I've got the other contrast colour. So to get started, you want to take the two colours in the centre and you want to clip these to the bottom of your board. And then you want to take the colours next to them and moving these two out of the way, and you want to work a square knot. So you want to go over and then over and pull through, and then you want to go under and then under and pull through. And then you can remove your clip from the board, and then you want to do your next one. So you want to take the shortest cord here and you can clip this to the bottom of the board, and then taking your outside colour, you're going to work over and then pull through, and then you want to go under and pull through. And then you can unclip from the bottom of the board, and then you want to do your last two cords, and you're going to do them the same as you did these two, but you're just going to do a mirror image. So take the shortest cord and clip this to the bottom of the board, and then you want to take the outside colour, go over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And then once you've done your first row, you can move on to your second row. So you want to take the two colours that you originally had in the centre, and then you can split all your cords into two sections, and then taking one section at a time, you can clip all but the centre colour to the bottom of the board. And then you want to take the centre colour that's next to that, and then you want to go over and pull through, and then under and pull through. And then you want to do a mirror of this at the other side. So you can put these ones out of the way, and then you want to take the rest of the colours that you haven't worked for your second row, and you want to clip these to the bottom of the board, and then you want to work this centre colour over and then pull through, and then under and pull through, and that completes your second row. And this is just a 2-row repeat pattern, so now you want to go back to what you did in row 1, and you want to keep repeating these 2 rows until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be, you can take all your cords off the board, and then you want to split them into 2 sections, and then you want to put one section out of the way, and then you want to take the outside cord from the other section, and then you can clip the rest to the bottom of the board. And this is where you're going to make the space for your buttonhole. So you want to go over with the outside cord and pull through, and then you want to go under and pull through, same as you did there, but you're going to keep doing more of these knots until you've got a space big enough to fit your button through. And how many knots you need will depend on the size of your button, so it's a good idea to measure as you go along. And once you've done this side, you want to do the exact same thing at the other side. So once you've done both sides, you can clip all the cords from the centre back to the bottom of the board and leave the outside ones free. And then you have to do a couple of square knots just to seal up your buttonhole. So once you're happy you've got everything nice and tight, you can unclip from the bottom of the board, and then you want to trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you preferred. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bracelet.